In this episode of the 2019 Year-End Subscription Box Marathon, we're going to take a look at the December Apocabox. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, I've got a lot of these subscription boxes kind of stacked up that I need to make videos on. So what I thought I would do, just go ahead and kind of do a year-end marathon of subscription box videos. And in this one, we're going to be taking a look at the December edition of the Apocabox subscription box. And we're going to do that right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by my friends at clickbelts.com, where you can save 15% by using the coupon code SOP15 at checkout. ClickBelts feature genuine Cobra buckles, and they are, by the way, the only place I know of that you can get anodized Cobra buckles for the colors. They have a full lifetime warranty, and they are sewn right here in the USA in the great state of Texas. And they have some of the best customer service I've ever seen. They've even got the really cool TSA-friendly poly Cobra buckle now. So if you're looking for a very, very strong, very cool belt, I encourage you to check out the folks at clickbelts.com. Don't forget, use the coupon code SOP15 to save 15%. Okay, we are back, and here's the Apocabox, which I think they have one of the coolest looking boxes anyway in the subscription box, space there. But let's open this thing up and see what's in here. So this is the December 2019 version. This is the contents, tells you what's in here, and it has a skill challenge like all of them do. Real quickly, like I said many times, I think the attraction to me for the Apocabox is not so much about getting a certain amount of stuff at a discount as it is about some kind of unusual maybe and unique stuff, and it's the focus they have on skill training and learning skills. So we'll set this aside and we'll just get to it, see what's in there. So the first item in the box to pick out, this is a dog bone draw knife. Let's see if we can find that. Here it is. It's in a nice kind of traditional canvas bag with a drawstring on it. Let's see what's in here. Bam, open her up. So it features, okay, all right, I'll see what we got here now. We have a little instruction here for it to tell you how to do it, but basically it's a draw knife, like so. And this one, it says it is creation of reptile toolwork, so it's a small batch forged, and then it has these handles that you put in here, and it has like you can lash them together, so it's kind of a project to do, but that gives you the ability to make a draw knife that you use for making projects and stuff, which is pretty cool. So I like that. I think that's pretty neat. A draw knife is something I've wanted for a while because I was trying to make a bow about 4 years ago, and it didn't work very well for me without a draw knife. So anyway, there's that. The next item, here we have a survival striker in another cool canvas bag, and then it's also let's see. Oh, so it's like a flint and steel striker, like a piece of steel. Let's see what we have in this little box here. Some orange duct tape, some charred rope here, a couple of paper clips, a little some fishing line wrapped up there, and a piece of flint, along with the striker, which is pretty cool. We'll put that back in there. We'll just sit it here like so. Open that up. You can see it if you want to look at it. And there's that. Next we have, I think Creek has a thing for crickets. These are white cheddar roasted cricket snack. Yeah, okay. You go Creek. He's had so many of these boxes have had crickets in it. I don't know, man. I just don't get it. But whatever. This is pretty cool. It's a buffalo bone spear point. It's made from a buffalo bone, handcrafted, and you can use it to practice, hafting spear points, or just to open some holiday gift cards. So pretty cool there. It's almost like a letter opener or a spear point. Pretty neat, made out of an actual buffalo bone. So put that one right there. What else we got in here? Oh, we got a couple more things in here. We have a handcrafted Pack Buddy compass. And this is pretty neat. This is a little leather lanyard. It's in a little stick, and the compass is inset into the end of it. And I'm looking at it right now, and just kind of look at it, and it's pointing to north, so that's cool. I like it. To me, that's not about, okay, how much can I buy this for in the store? It's about, you can't buy this in the store. It's pretty cool. So there's that. Let's look at one more thing in here, and then I think that's going to be, there's two more things in here. Next is a little Gerber shard multi-tool, and it's got a little screwdriver thing here, and a little pry bar here, and a bottle opener here, and just a cool little water, it's keychain compatible, little 7 tools, carry-on friendly, so pretty neat there. And then finally, the last thing in the box this month is the actually a pocket field guide for natural cordage. And you know, Creek writes these field guides with, I like them. I've got kind of collected them over the last few months, and they've got some really good information in there for just doing all sorts of skills. Like I said, in my opinion, these boxes are focused more on skills than they are on like, hey, you know, we're gonna get some stuff for a discount. So I just want to talk about the skill challenge that they have this month. This month, the skill challenge is either to use the Real Steel Survival Striker to either build a hand reel fishing pole, and there's some pictures on here that show you how to do it, or to start a fire using the included char rope and flint. And there's also, they have a video link that you can go to kind of give you some guidance on doing the project. So I like the fact that it gives you, you know, if you choose to do so, then you have some hands-on practice and some cool skills while you're finding out about some cool stuff. Okay, well, that was the December 2019 Apocabox. And I got to say, this may be one of my favorite ones all year because I really like the draw knife. I think that is stinking cool. I like the striker. I think that's cool. I like it all except the crickets. And man, I'm sorry, I'm just not into eating bugs. But other than that, and I know people say they're great, they taste good, they're great protein or whatever. So is beef. Anyway, I'll leave it at that, but I do like the Apocabox concept, and I really like this one. So if you're interested in checking out further, you can go to myapocabox.com. Once again, thanks to the folks at Apocabox for sending me these every other month. So, you know, we can develop a library, and you can check it out. And if you're interested, you'll kind of have an idea of what to expect. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my weekly email newsletter at survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe, because you never know when YouTube's going to notify you or not if I put out a new video. That way, every week I'll send you an email. You have all the week's videos, plus any news or offers or deals I think you might be interested in. And in 2020, we are going to start doing some special stuff for the newsletter subscribers. So if you want to find out about that and have a chance to be involved in it, then I encourage you to subscribe. You can also go to click the little box with a knife in it, and that'll take you there too. Just follow the instructions, you'll get it. Anyway, I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.